Made a mistake and need to change the receiver's name on a Western Union money transfer. It's a critical correction, and while possible, it has specific requirements. In this guide, I'll show you how to generally change a Western Union receiver name. To change the receiver's name, you typically need to contact Western Union customer service immediately or return to the agent location where you sent the money. You'll need your tracking number, MTCN, and your original receipt. Crucially, a name change is usually only possible if the money has not yet been paid out to the original recipient. Once the money has been picked up, a name change is almost impossible, and you'll need to resolve the issue with the recipient directly. Finally, be prepared to provide clear identification and explain the reason for the name change. There might be a fee for this service, and certain restrictions may apply depending on the country and specific transaction details. And there you have it. Changing a Western Union receiver name is time-sensitive. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.